How many citations should we build in unstructured like Web2 assets and traditional directory citations combined? There is no limit. It's as many as it takes. And I'm not trying to be an asshole who's IFO. But when somebody says, how many links should I build? I say as many as it takes. That's going to be my answer every time. How many citations? As many as it takes. Okay. So that means go analyze the top ranked competitors. I've done training on this. It's on our YouTube channel. I've talked about it many times. Do competitive link analysis for the top ranked competitors for the search queries that you want to rank for and determine what they're doing and just exceed that and meet or exceed it. And when you do it, make sure everything that you're doing is better. It's done better. That's it. How many is it going to take? As many as it takes. And you can determine that by analyzing what the top ranked competitors are doing, which is why we do competitive link analysis reports before we ever make a link recommendation to anybody. Somebody says, what links should I build to this campaign? I point them right to the competitive link analysis order form. Go there. Once you check out and we prepare the report, then I can give you a recommendation. I don't make recommendations without looking at data. So I can't give you an answer here other than as many as it takes. Well, how many is it going to take? Do a competitive link analysis process and you'll know. I'm not saying buy it from me. There's training on the YouTube channel that shows, and the template, the workbook template, everything's right on our YouTube channel. Just go search our YouTube channel for competitive link analysis and you'll find the training. Go through that exercise. Do that for every SEO campaign and you'll have the data that you need to know what number of links you need to build, what the anchor texts are, what the topical categories are. And that includes citations, by the way. So guys, SEO is more science than art. There is, I think, still an art component to it, but SEO is more science than art. So use data to determine what you need, right? That's what we do, data-driven process.